See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Thank you, everyone. This is still in regards to the quick notice that Kaspalan received a few days ago, of which I came to social media to cry for help. I want to thank everyone and say that Mr. Olopade, the DG and National Sports Commission, has constituted a meeting which is very positive. I want to appreciate his leadership. I want to appreciate the manner which he constituted the meeting. I appreciate him. I appreciate the work that he is doing.
All right, so it's time to finish this other apple. First things first, this woman messed up. When I say messed up, she messed up so bad. You know, after she posted a video crying out that it is because we came to our place to come and have an event, you know, they now saw the potential of the place and they now served her a quit notice letter that she should vacate the area. I made a video following that, you know, and then at the end of the day, I spoke to the DG of Nigeria Sports Commission, Mr. Honorable Bukola Olopade. Now, after we spoke, I sent my lawyer there. When my lawyer got there, we were both disappointed. Why? Because there were a lot of forgery of documents here and there, you know, and then we didn't even know that it was the DG that overlooked everything that they did, the illegal things that she did to stay there. We didn't even know, you know. But of course, thank God say the first video when I make, nobody say I accuse anybody as bad. I only talk the history of how I know say the woman don't work on the place. But I didn't know that she was doing a lot of things illegally, you know. But cut the long story short, we spoke to the DG. The DG said there's no problem, that he's going to still let us stay, you know, especially because, okay, publicity don't come, you know. So thank you, sir. I really want to appreciate you, and I want to apologize for the video that she previously made, where it can be as if you'll be a bad person. So I'm very sorry on her behalf, even though I expected her to go straight and apologize. She didn't do it. I'm sorry on her behalf. So Mr. Olopade, I'm very, very, very sorry, sir, on her behalf. Then from my side, thank you very much, sir, for listening to me, listening to us and our lawyer, and listening to our plea. You understand? We talk very well. We talk very well. It remains small, so we say, maybe woman they go pay for everything, go collect the place. Yes, it remains small. It remains small because she do no good. What she do no good at all. But yeah, again, she be woman. And we're not going to say she be woman, say maybe she do something bad. But at the end of the day, she still be woman. Women, they be doing something sometimes and you just be like, but yeah, we've collected the place back, or they've given us the place back, or they've given her the place back. So thank you very much. Everything has been solved. Another apple down. But if I know they care for apple, going to grow for my head, though. I don't come to chop apple laptop and apple phone.
My brother, Steve, you don't have to shop the car, you don't shop before you die.
Now this is only place that I will do. I will not.
You still because
I better. This is not good.